Welcome guys sa ProCap Quantum 7 Gaming. So short and quick presentation lang what is all about on ProCap guys. So guys, sa ProCap, this is the important disclaimer. Okay, so malinaw, ProCap Quantum 7 Gaming is not an investment company. Okay, ProCap Quantum 7 is a gaming, does not offer or solicit or sell any securities in the form of contracts. Okay, so malinaw siya. Okay, it's a gaming platform ito guys. Okay, ProCap InsurTech Limited. Okay, it's a registered, it's online platform management, is built on the basis of the risk management in prediction games. First in the time with the capital protection. Okay, on the prediction gaming, this is the first time that with the capital protection. So okay, ito yung parang tinatawag sa ibang bansa ng insurance, pero sa Philippines we called it capital protection. Quantum Gaming 7, this is followed by ProCap formula. We enjoy the stable winnings on daily basis, and the good thing with this formula, our capital is protected when we hit the loss. Okay, so kasi explain ko sa inyo bakit may win at bakit may loss. Okay, so this gaming quantum, it's already worldwide players in Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and every part of the Asia. So basically, nakikita niyo marami na siya before pa nag-start on the Philippine market. The ProCap certification InsurTech is registered on the SACIA by Seychelles Financial Service Authority, which is a regulatory body for responsible regulatory and supervision, conduct services, capital market, collective investment schemes, and insurance. This is the one who has Seychelles. So kaya mga companies na related sa finance and registered, which is isa rin doon ng ProCap. And the good thing with ProCap, yung National Insurance Alliance Limited, NIAC, okay, kumbaga, insured din yung ating ProCap. Okay, so papansinin mo, you can search, you can, may mga link siya na pwede natin ma-check, which is may certificate, kumbaga, etong ating then the good news, meron ding certificate of incorporation as a ProCap Quantum 7 International Gaming Corporation is ProCap Quantum 7, which is naka-base siya sa UGC. Okay, so then the Quantum 7 Gaming is only marketing arm of ProCap InsurTech Limited to conduct presentation only and seminars to conduct trainings and support or to those to their customers and ProCap Quantum Gaming Manila Philippines launch at the High Street South Corporate Plaza Tower 2 dyan po sa BGC. Okay, so you can check, you can visit ang opisina. How to become a player? So basically, tayo ay mga player, even me, I'm a player of the company. So that's why if you want to be a player as well, so you need to register on the link that sinishare sa inyo ng kaibigan nyo. Kung wala man kayong link, so make sure na mag-register kayo to create account, then make sure na creating kayo ng tinatawag na 2FA or Google Authenticator to set up and pag-guide kayo kung paano mag-create ng account. Kung wala kayong mga may link, so gamitin nyo po yung link ko kung meron po tayo dyan. But kung may nag-invite sa inyo, make sure na i-guide po niya kayo. Then once na-created na po yung account, so make sure na activate mo yung package. There's a basic, enhanced, and deluxe. It's deluxe and superior packages. So apat dyan na you can start to use the quantum formula that up to 7 rounds of playing. The goal in the 7 rounds just to get a 1 win. Just 1 win. You can do it on a daily basis, a 1 win a day. Okay, and when you win certain prediction gaming, players are only allowed to win once, tama? And win sharing ang 50-50 on the player and 50% on the ProCap. Why humihingi si ProCap ng player ng 50%? Okay, so dito kasi sa sistema na to, when you lose on the 7th round of this formula, the Pro Cup will protect our capital. Okay? It's kaya meron siyang tinatawag na split profit. Okay, win sharing. Profit sharing pala sa win. So, in the 7th round, dito binabalik kami natin. So, 100% wala tayong tinatawag na the protected to ating capital. Yeah, this is the consecutive formula. So, basically, ayon sa statistics, out of every 1,000 cells, only 8 which will result in the wrong predictions, or 7%. So, the probability that you will win within 7 rounds is 99.22%. Okay, that's the winning. Then the less than 1%, actually tabla pa yan. Diba? So this is the quantum. So yung chance mo to winning on the first round when you start to do the prediction gaming. So 50-50 yung chances. Pag habang tumatagal yan, yung chances mo ay yung wrong prediction mo lumiliit. Okay? The second game, 25% and so on. Baba. Now, this is the formula works. This is the flow price. So from your client, sa pasero mo and from the client goes the Pro Cup to the vendor, the operators. And from the Pro Cup, you will use the System 7 formula. Look at the arrow on the blue. Okay? Then, it depends on the formula. It's either you win or lose. Okay? When you win, you have a 1 win a day. Ang mangyayari sa profit natin, sa winning profit natin, this guy is 50% goes to your client account, your client earnings, and the second 50% goes to Pro Cup International. Okay, so napupunta yan sa pool, naiipon yan sa pool, dumadami yung pool. Okay, so lahat kasi ng players is active and nag-split lagi yan. Once yung pool yan napupuno yan, okay? Kasi saan magagamitin yan? Once na hindi ka nanalo from the Pro Cup 7 system, you hit the 7th round, nanalus ka. Now, magti-trigger ngayon yung insurance claim. So, tatakbo ngayon yan sa pool. Then, from the pool, ibabalik ulit yan, tatakbo doon, pupondohan ulit. Automatic sa provider, may account ka na naman doon. Then, from the platform. And the platform, now you can start again to play. Ibig sabihin, launa pa lang ng madaling araw, napupuno na yan. Okay, bumabalik yung capital. That's the cycle of the flow of funds in program. So, ibig sabihin, parang hindi ka rin natalo. Wala ka lang kinikita na play. Okay? Where do you play? Okay, so, ito yung mga partnership may program. So, FX6, this is a Europe-based forex brokerage. Okay, we call it just a binary option. And the Evolution Gaming naman, which is the top largest gaming operators in the world. Okay, yung mga stocks yan. Then incorporated with 2060 games Singapore, also known as 60 Singapore, focusing on live dealer games. Yung chances dyan. Okay, so this is the Pro Cup Quantum Gaming regional operators. Newport, Iona in Vietnam, Cambodia, Jeju Island in South Korea, MGM Brand, okay, so Genting Malaysia, International Casino. Ito yung mga, kumbaga, yung KYC na provide ng company nito, this is like a partnership with these operators. Okay? What are the player accounts options? This is the core kanina na sinasabi natin kanina, the basics, enhance, and the lack superior. You can start as low as 2,470 and start getting dapat may nakikita ka na step. Okay, so kami napakita natin. The enhance is 12,050, 24,770. And the chances of winning here is 6% to 42. 6% puro game ka. 42 pag lagi ka 7 games every day. But rough estimated is pwedeng 6 to 42 in between 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. It depends on the winning. So paano ba yung winning na sinasabi mo? So it depends guys, on the winning formula, example, the basic, the first round bet on the prediction is $10. So, susundin mo lang yung formula. So, huwag ka magkakamali. Kung hindi mo siya kayang sundin, pwede ka lang automatic mag-sign up mo lang. Already nakaset up na siya sa auto-play. Okay? Para hindi na ikaw yung nagano'n araw-araw. Gagawin mo ito guys, pwede ikaw mag-execute. Example, sa enhanced package. So, sa deluxe na lang tayo para hindi nakakalimutan. Unang round bet, ito kasi yung total ng capital mo. Okay, sa unang round is 100. Pag na-lose ka dyan, either natalo ka, yung formula niya is straight. Natalo ka dyan, 700. Once na nag-win ka sa third round, yung winning nyo 700, then ileless lang yung 300 and 100 na previous na bawas sa capital mo, then sobra niyan mag-split na kayo ng company. That's how it works. Okay, naghahati kayo kung ano yung matitira, may ipapalit yung naging nalas nyo. Tapos tomorrow, ganun ulit. Start ulit ng 100, second game 300. Pag nag-naya ako second game, split na naman kagad. Rest out ulit yung loss. Okay? Ganyan lang yung formula niyan, is 1 win a day. Kaya yung rough estimated yung kinikita. So, this is the potential of the basic and the quantum unit na daily winning potential from $5 to 35. Pwedeng 5, pwedeng 10, pwedeng 5, pwedeng tama. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. On the capital of 2%. Okay, so approximately the 0.2% to 1.4 every day, kaya nagiging 6 to 42% per month. Enhance ang package mo, $25 to 75. Pwedeng $25, that's kung game 1 ka, 50 yan, kung game 2, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175. Ganun siya. Okay, so malinaw. Yan na yung nahati na. Okay, it depends on the package. May reporting naman yan, makikita mo sa iyong account. So, this is the simulation ng chances ng account is 12,000. Kung ikaw, lagi kang win lang sa round 1, win ka lang ng $20. So, parang pumapanak siya ng 50%. Yeah, 6 months, 6%. Okay, ayan, the average is 10%, 15, or 18. It depends on the winning. Okay, there's no fix. Pwede, alas tayo ng account, magkaiba tayo ng suppose result because magkaiba tayo ng winning. So, first game, game 3, it depends on everything. Okay? So you can, there's a no fix. But there's a limit. Okay? Now, this is the report. Okay? So yun lang, this is the last year report of 2023. Ilang package, ano ba yung premiums, and the summary, Quantum 7 Game Player Management is built on the base of the risk management prediction games with the capital program. Our capital is protected. Yun yung meron kay program. It's protected. Our capital. How to become a pro-cap quantum game class. Ito naman yung mga rewards naman every time na nag-share ka. Ayan, basic lang. Basic lang account mo, meron kang 5%. Okay, pag nag-prepare ka, gamit yung link mo, 5%, 6, 7, 8. It depends kung ano yung package na ginawa natin. Okay? Then, this time, and the development rewards, this is the profit under organization. Kung ilan yung level natin, it depends on the package. So, basic na lang ang level. Kung 10 ka, 15, 20, enhance, deluxe, or superior, ano na siya, lumalalim. Paano ba yan? Kasi habang nagtitip ka, napaka-importante ng dip level. Pakita natin. Kasi sabihin mo na lang ikaw enhance, so hanggang 10th level ka. Aabot ka rito sa income ng level. Kasi ito, level 1, every time na nag-winning siya, na mananalo siya, meron ka 8% lang. Example, nanalo siya ng $100 that game. Ikaw ang nag-share sa kanya, meron ka 8%. Bukas nanalo ulit siya, di ba? $100. So, meron kang sa $100, meron kang $8. Okay? Meron siya. Kinabukasan nanalo ulit siya ng $50 naman. So, may 8% ka, meron $4. So, on daily basis, meron ka. Yan. Sa second level mo, level 2, 6%. The 3, 4, and 5 is 4%, 4%, 4%. Then 6 to 10th level. Kaya sabi ko sa importante yung leveling. Kung 6 to 10 is may 2% ka pa, half 2%, 2% sa 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 level. Okay? So, doon yung nag-vary. Kung gusto mo ng 11 to 12, so make sure na it's either deluxe ka or superior. Okay? So, that's the power and advantage ng mas mataas yung ating package because of the development. Kung gagawin mo rin lang ito, siya mo sa then, this is the potential when you on the power of 5 players. Example, 5 kuha ng 5. Base lang to sa maliit na capital. Winning 8%, 6%, 4%. This is your potential daily, weekly, and monthly. Sabi, no? Then, this is the leadership. So, ito, pag naging member ka na or nagkaroon ka ng account, susunod na lang natin yung business. So, yun lang guys. Ito yung potential na meron kayo program. So, thank you. Then, wala pa kayong account, so make sure na you can create account. So, pag na-create kayo, make sure na lagyan nyo yung funds, no? So, dapat sigurado na kayo na may lalagay kayo yung funds. Using the deposit, lagyan nyo siya ng USDT. Select nyo yung chain sa TRC20 yung pinaka-best na i-loadan yung kaso sa TRC20. So, TRC20. So, yun lang guys. So, happy winning is 1 minute a day.